Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Jenga. Jenga is set up by building a vertical tower with the Jenga blocks. The tower is built by stacking 3 side-by-side blocks in each row. Each new row formed is turned 90 degrees from the blocks in the row below. The objective of the game is to be the last successful player to remove and stack a block before a player makes the tower fall. The player that built the tower is first to play. The turn consists of a player removing a block from the tower and placing the removed block on top of the tower. The player's turn ends 10 seconds after the block has been placed atop the tower, or once the next player touches a block. Players continue to take turns removing and stacking blocks until the tower falls. The last player to successfully remove and stack a block without the tower falling wins the game. The player that caused the tower to fall has to set up the tower for the next game. A player can only touch blocks with one hand at a time. A block can only be removed from below the topmost completed level. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.